Here we have the heavy duty camp grill. The one we have on the fire is the old model, so the new one have a little bit different legs, as you can see. This is great for camping. It's not real good for backpacking. It's great sticking in the basement of your RV or under the seat in your van. It measures 36 by 18 inches, and I don't know for sure the weight, only a couple pounds though, I would say. And you can grill all kinds of stuff on here. You might want to level it a little better than I have it, because if you're doing sausages, because these are trying to roll around a little bit. And then just let them, turn them every now and then to make sure they're getting a nice even coat. This fire's a little bit hot. Subscribe to our channel and check out wisemanTrading.com. We have all kinds of stuff for the great outdoors and rural living.